How to fix sorry we are unable to handle your request at this time in Rockstar Games. So usually this specific error message is popping up on a Rockstar Games account. That may be because of your unstable internet connection. So that's actually your first troubleshooting step that you need to do. Make sure that you have stable internet connection and has at least maximize signal bars from here. Now the next thing that you can do is just to head straight into the Windows icon, type in time, and then in here you can actually reverse the time maybe 2 hours or 3 hours prior to the correct time, depending on your time zone. Now, once those specific troubleshooting steps did not resolve the problem, then head straight into Rockstar Games. Log in into your account, go straight into your account profile, and then go to account and then settings. Now in here, we will try to unlink the Rockstar Games directly from the official site and try to relink it again. For those options, just simply go into linked accounts and then just simply unlink your Rockstar Games to any of the linked accounts that you have from here and try to relink it again. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to fix sorry, we're unable to handle your request at this time in Rockstar Games.